I got this!
You're doing great. Come on, Liam, you got it.
Did you guys find a diamond?
Okay, Liam, you got this. Come on.
Get that foot up, bud. There you go.
Come on, Liam, you got this.
I think those might be a bit deeper in this. You're trying to get that piece out.
Yes.
Good luck. Let's just see if we can get that again. Maybe you need a pickaxe.
How much further did you go?
You got it, Liam. Come on.